You guys, instead of buying paper trimmings, just buy plain sheet and make paper trimmings. I'm going to be showing you how you're going to do it. So I got this plain sheets for 5 6, and that's because I got the one of 100 grams or so, like the thick one for printing. They did not have the cheaper option, so you don't need to get the very quality one for printing because it's paper trimming. You're going to throw it away now. So you even need the lighter one instead of cheap one. So unboxing my zero bar. Yeah, so this is it. So what's the first step in this experiment? So I'm going to fold it. So guys, like, how did I find out my hidden talent? So I started on last year. My hidden talent of making paper trimmings, because I wanted to buy paper trimmings. They said 2,500 naira that I will manage for even just one box. So how many would I have to buy to sell Christmas package or something? That was like really ridiculous for me. Shao, it might be quite affordable for you, but for me, it was too much. Paper 2,500 for just one pack of paper trimmings, and it's for a very big box. It's not even going to be enough. So, and when I want to do my gift package, I have to add price of paper trimming to it, price of box, and so on. So it was just too much. So I said, let me try this, and I did, and it came out well. So I'm going to go ahead. So you can see I fold the paper into 4, right? So the next thing I'm going to do, the next thing you want to do is you want to cut it very tiny, like very. Let me just cut it. This thing is not focused. Right. So see, if you don't have energy or time to cut, please just buy your paper trimmings, your 2,500 or 5,000 naira paper trimmings. So you're going to cut it. And when I try this thing, like the tinier you cut, the finer it will be up, the better. So if you cut it very big, or the way you sleep, or be the way you lay your bed, so you lie on it, or the way you lie your bed, so you sleep on it. Oh yeah, what am I saying? I know the right thing. I was just trying to be funny. Do laugh. Anyways, so I'm cutting it. This reminds me of those days in secondary school. Is it secondary school or primary school? I think primary school, when these people will come with all these things that are like soft paper. They look like tissue, but they're like paper. They will teach us different paper crafts. It was so sweet. And do you know that thing saved me recently? I went for a shoot, a client shoot. I'm also a videographer, right? And the person couldn't get bow that she was supposed to use to launch something. So the knowledge of those days helped me. I had to like bring out my inner this thing. See this now. Didn't do it. And I was able to make the bow due to my previous knowledge. So guys, no knowledge is a waste. You don't know when this would actually save you or help you. Let me show you my journey so far. Look at it. So pretty. And how many minutes? It's not going to take time actually. Just have to sit down with it. If you are in a haste, if you are rushing, you got this big and it's not come out nice. So you need to be patient. So I'm checking my timer. See, to cut one paper, it won't take up to 5 minutes, guys. So I know I'm supposed to be cutting this thing the camera, but if I say I will start cutting it on the table to be caring about camera, I will not do it well. Guys, this look like a skirt. Okay, let me try and cut it on the table. Focus. See, it's not smooth for me, guys. Let's cut this. Now the next thing you're going to do is now you're going to cut this place off. Now I'm supposed to cut it like this. Cut it like this. But I don't want to cut it too much today so that it's not mistakenly cut. So I'll just cut it from here where I know that I cut everything. And guys, this is your paper trimming. So what do you do if you want it to be? I know you say when you buy paper trimming, this is not how it looks like. This is what we do. Just squeeze it. Then you open it. And this is it. Is this not it? Is this not the same paper trimmings that they are selling for 2.5? Eh? Even looks better than some that I see that are not even cut evenly, guys. Look at this. And there's also paper trimmings machine if you can afford it, buy. But my dear, I'm not a gift item vendor, so I'm just doing it for this period. So got this paper trimmings. I'm going to do more and show you guys. So you can also decide to do many at once if you know that your hand can manage it, right? So I folded 5 at once. So I want to do 10. I want to show you how much 10 pieces of this paper can bring out. So this is 5. This total of 5, and it's actually much, right? You can actually even use this for a small box. And if anything, you don't even need to buy the pack of machine. I think some people sell the paper, a single paper, 20 naira or something. Look at how plenty it is. Look at how plenty it is. This is just 5 paper. You can even make a business out of this. You can decide to sell this, guys. It's just 5 paper. So you don't need to cut it one by one. You can fold more than one together. So I folded 5. Folding like this is too thick, so I'm cutting it this way, right? And then I'll let you show you how plenty. There's a part I was not supposed to include. How plenty 10 papers are. So this is 5. It looks very nice, very nice. So guys, let's go. I'm gonna pack up my hair. So you got the bunch of cuts off. I like to fold it in small batches. It's not really. So now, the paper is so it's unraveling my shout out to my friend Bolu who gave me this idea. She was one that actually said, "You've been complaining about the price, can't you try making it yourself?" And I was like, oh wow. But I was always thinking I need to have the machine to make it. Thank you so much, Bolu. She's a do-it-yourself babe. She knows how to do a lot of things. And thank you so much. Guys, this is just 5 paper. This is 10 in total. Gosh. If you want to oh God, if I start calculating how much this cost with like the cost of the full one, but even if I don't use the cost of the full one, let's say I want to buy it single, like I think it's 20 naira or something. Oh, is it 20 naira? 15 naira, I think. I buy 10, that's just 500 naira. Compared to this, the one of 25 that I saw in the supermarket that they like this gift shop that their items are actually even affordable compared to other people. It's not up to this, and it's 25. It is not up to this. And guys, when I calculated it based on the price of the full pack I got, you will not believe it's just around 100 naira. So I bought the full pack 5-6. There are 500 papers inside, right? And I used 10. So calculating it, that's just 100 naira for the 10 papers, as opposed to 25 for the paper trimmings. That was not even up to this quantity. Oh my God, guys, I'm so pleased with myself. You should definitely try this. Christmas package done set and on a budget also. I saved a lot of costs. So please let me know if you're going to try this in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel and like this video.